it's so exciting when we bring people together to really understand what it takes to not only grow soybeans, but also how they get to the table. There's great opportunity for us to continue to talk about how soy fits into a healthy lifestyle and how easy it is to incorporate.
When we're thinking about the health of the nation, specifically the high rates of chronic disease, diabetes, hypertension, cardiovascular disease, I spend a lot of time talking to my patients about mindful and intentional swaps that are delicious as well as budget friendly, and soy fits into that category.
I am so excited to be here on the Food and Farm Tour. There's nothing like seeing where food is grown, seeing it from the perspective of farmers, seeing the life cycle of it, and then going to the processing facility, learning about that whole process. It's just been so fascinating.
Personally, I haven't cooked with soybeans very much in my life, so I'm learning a lot, despite it being in the soybean state. We don't use a lot of soy, and it would be nice to get a lot of soy into our diet because it's very healthy for you.
I live out on a farm, so a lot of our diet is meat. My biggest takeaway from the event was probably the fact that you can mix soy into a lot of things. It doesn't have to be the main part of the dish. You can mix tofu into sauces, soups, or you can cut up tofu and deep fry it, and there's soy milk. There's just so many different things that you can do with it without having to be the main focus.
My favorite part of this tour is the combination of both students and health professionals together, because the thing that unifies us is our love for food. I would definitely recommend this tour because it allows especially health professionals to come and to see a different side. It's really cool to be able to see how food is harvested and really that whole journey from farm to table.